and in this video what we're going to do is show you how to configure PowerDMARC for WHMCS as both a standalone product and as an add-on. So first you can go to System Settings and then go to Add-on Modules. From here you'll need to enable PowerDMARC for WHMCS add-on, and you can leave the configuration as is until later. Going back to System Settings, you can now go ahead and configure your first server. So for the module, you'd want to select PowerDMARC for WHMCS, and for the hostname or API address, you can leave the URL to your MSP portal. So in this example, it'll be app.linkdmarc.com. To create the API token, you can go to your MSP dashboard, go to API Settings, Manage API Tokens, and generate a new one with all of the permissions. So for the name, you can choose whichever you'd like, and here we're going to use WHMCS-test. Enable everything you would need, and then you can go ahead and save the token. After doing so, you can copy it directly into WHMCS and test the connection. For the name, again, you can choose whichever you would like. Configure the name servers if you want, and then go ahead and save the changes. After this is successful, you can also create a new group. So again, WHMCS test, and add the server that you just made to the configuration. After that, you can go back to System Settings, and now you can go ahead and create a new product or service. So here you can first create a new group. So let's say DMARC Protection. Choose a headline that you want and save changes. After doing this, you can go back to the product list and create a new product. For PowerDMARC, you can select Other, and then you can choose the group that you just protected and select the product name. For the module, again, you can select PowerDMARC for WHMCS and continue with the configuration. After getting here, you can go to Module Settings, select the server group that you just created, and then you can go ahead and select the subscription plan for the account. And with this, you've successfully created your first DMARC product. PowerDMARC as an add-on, you can go back to System Settings and go to Product Add-ons. From here, you're able to create a new add-on. Select the PowerDMARC for WHMCS module and continue with the configuration. You can go to Module Settings, select the server group that you just created, and from here you're able to select the subscription plan. In addition to this, you can go back to the applicable products and add all of the relevant products that you'd like to sell with DMARC. After you go ahead and save the changes, you can see that if you go to the client area, any product that they buy and it's applicable will have the DMARC add-on available here. Also have the option to change the landing page that the client is able to see. So if we go back to the add-on module and configure here, you can select which landing page the product group will be under. After you go ahead and save the changes, you'll see that reflected in the client area. So here you'll have the ready-made landing page for all of the clients with relevant information as to the offering. So they'll have an idea of the DMARC compliance, the different policies of DMARC, hosted MTA, STS, and as well as a feature highlight. Whenever someone purchases DMARC, their account will be automatically created on your MSP portal. Additionally, if there is a cPanel account connected to the domain, it will automatically detect that and publish the hosted DMARC CNAME record. Hope this was helpful, and if you do have any questions, feel free to get in touch with us.